Remove Unused Materials Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the application to finish loading completely. Once Blender is open, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to access the file browser and open a previous project. After locating it, select the file by clicking on it once. Next, move your cursor to the Open button in the file browser. After the file is loaded, navigate to the Playback panel in the Blender interface. This panel contains options that allow you to switch between different workspace and editor types. Find the panel type option and click on it to view the available editor choices. From the list that appears, change the editor type to Shader Editor. This will open the shader workspace where materials can be viewed and managed more easily. Once the shader editor is visible, click on the Materials section to open the list of materials associated with the project. As you review the list, you may notice that there are some materials that are no longer being used by any object in the scene. To remove these unnecessary materials, go to the Side List panel where the available materials are displayed. Move your mouse to the Display Mode option and click on it to reveal additional filtering choices. From the available options, choose the setting that allows you to view unused materials. After identifying an unused material, click on the material to highlight it. Then press the Purge button to begin removing it from the project. A confirmation message may appear asking you to verify the deletion. Confirm the action to proceed. Once the material has been deleted, check the material list again carefully to make sure the unused material is no longer present. Repeat the verification process if needed until you are certain the deletion was successful and complete.